Here's a detailed self-cut tutorial. First, starting off with the materials that I'm using. This entire clipper set from the clippers, trimmer, as well as the electric shaver is from Supreme, linked in my bio, as well as this beard guard is also linked in my bio as well too. A brush, I'm sure you have one, shampoo, some conditioner as well to moisturize your hair. First, I'm going to start off with brushing my hair down. That's always the initial step. Then I'm going to take the trimmer and put it at the top of my ear to start my bald line. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to grab my clippers. Now, remember, the clipper has two major areas. You can have it closed or open. If it's closed, that means it's up. If it's open, that means it's down. Then you're going to put on a beard guard. I always start off with the largest one just so that I can get an idea of what I need and what I don't need. I already know that the largest one is going to cut my hair, but this is a tip that I think is great if you're learning how to cut your hair. As you work your way down, you find the guard that works for you, meaning working your way down is like changing and using each guard until you find the one that starts trimming your hair the way that you like. While you're doing this, the guard should be open, meaning that it's down and that it's not closest to the blade. Once I get the guard that I like most, then I basically go in and I'm just constantly grazing the side of my head until I get a nice base of layer. That sounds weird, but what I'm trying to say is like a nice base as far as it's even and I've cut enough of the hair off. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So again, I'm just going to keep grazing it. This is a very tedious process of learning how to cut your hair. You're just constantly going back and forth, but you want to take your time with it. You might want to use this guard to prevent you from cutting too much of your hair. I find that using my hand is much better. And then when I get to the point that I have a good base and I want to start blending that bald line, I'm going to remove the guard and then slightly close the actual lever so that I can get a cleaner cut, meaning that I'm bringing the blades closer so that it can even out that bald line. A lot of brushing is necessary in this process, and then you'll get something like this. Then here's another tip. I'm going to take the beard guard and I'm going to place it just behind the hairline. Not too far like I just showed you, but just behind the hairline of my beard. And then I'm going to take the end of the trimmer and clean up that side. So if you can see, I'm going to angle it and use the end to go ahead and clean up the edges. And then I'll remove it. Pretty much, I'm happy with that. I'm simple. Not going to do anything else. Now I'm going to take my trimmer again and I'm going to use it to clean up the hair under my beard. What I like to do is almost raise it up instead of bringing it down. I find that to be easier with this clipper set. So that's just my method. Give it a try. As far as my mustache line right here, this is just up to personal preference. I like a thicker line. Do what works best for you. And again, I'm just going to go on and slightly line up the outside of my mustache. Then I'm going to take the beard guard again and place it just behind the start of my hairline, not too far back like that, but just behind it so I can get a nice clean line. Once I tap it with the trimmer, again, I'm tapping it, and I'm only going to drag it at the very end. And that's pretty much what I got. I'm happy with that. Now, I'm not going to lie, the hairline is something I'm still trying to figure out. When I brush it down and trim it, it's all right, but because I have a lot of hair, I can kind of get away with it. Again, just like everything else, you're just gonna do a lot of brushing and then just kind of like tapping back and forth. Now I'm going to go in and pretty much trim up the other side. Then this is where your electric shaver comes into play. This is, again, personal preference, but this is where I like to get a nice cleaner cut on my face and on my sideburns. Then I'm going to go in with the Sacred shampoo to clean up that excessive hair. I also ended up washing my face, as you're going to see, so I'm going to be patting all over my face. I did like my skincare in between this, but I'm going to come back with that leave-in conditioner. I got this from Costa Rica. Add that to your beard, going with some oil for a nice sheen as well too. And then that's pretty much it. I know that this might seem like a lot, but the more that you do it, the easier it gets. I will say this has become like the best part of my week, trimming and lining up my beard. And this is the final look. I took my twist out. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. Also, if you have any suggestions on how I can become better at trimming up and lining up and fading my hair, please leave a comment. Thanks.